Hello, welcome to the technical analysis of Microsoft. Microsoft is bouncing against the main trend. Expect tests as price moves into resistance. Today, the stock is gained by 4% and the 30-day trend points to a downtrend. A long-term structure is still above the 200-day EMA, but slipping under the 50-day EMA is a sign of medium-term softness. Price is trading below a falling trend line near $541.29, which is acting as resistance. If selling pressure continues, the next key support sits around $499. A break above the downtrend line could point toward $555.45, which has acted as a frequently tested zone in the past. The long-term roadmap is in an early build phase, with 2 of 4 confirmations in place: prior high cleared, EMA 200 reclaimed, and downtrend break, EMA 50 reclaimed still pending. Based on the length of the prior impulse, an estimated completion window ranges from about 55 to 101 sessions, which is roughly 15.6 weeks. Invalidation sits near approximately $493.25 on a decisive daily close below that level. There is a recent downward gap between $534.97 and $536.73 that remains unfilled. If price attempts to close this gap, it could climb by nearly 5.2% from current levels. RSI is showing early signs of recovery, but MACD is still weak for now. In a similar MACD cycle, between April 24th and May 23rd, the price saw an increase of around 16.2%. From a long-term perspective, price remains inside the broader trend channel on the longer-term view. Price is hovering near the lower edge of its short-term channel, close to support. The price is trading above the 78%, 2.50587 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 61% retracement near 2.516, 2.47 below. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 2.57, 2.61, Fib 127, and then 2.59443, Fib 162. Looking at Microsoft today, the market is giving us a neutral read overall. The recent price action has been forming a structure that many traders are watching closely. From the trend perspective, the price is currently below several key moving averages, and this positioning helps set the tone for the broader direction. Momentum indicators add another layer to the picture. RSI is hovering around 47.4, while MACD is below its signal line, which hints at cooling pressure in the current swing. In terms of activity, volume is close to its 20-day average, and volatility, measured by ATR, is starting to expand. Together, these shape the energy behind the next potential move. The main level to keep on the radar is around $555. If price manages to close above $555 and MACD confirms the move, this could unlock a continuation-type setup. On the defensive side, the key invalidation area is near 493, where this setup would start to lose its reliability. On the map ahead, we are tracking the next resistance around $515, support near $505, a midterm target around $555, a long-term projection close to $568. Overall, the structure is becoming clearer, and the coming sessions are likely to decide whether this setup develops into a continuation move or slips into a deeper pullback. Here are the latest updates for Microsoft. The most recent headline is, "No reliable recent headlines were found." That wraps up this technical analysis on Microsoft. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching.